fine, little Jay. JD can do it. He's going to put it in 4-wheel drive. So, just picking up the slack on the ropes. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's working. It's working. You be careful up there, Jonathan. Here we go. I can't see Norm. I can just see the bucket.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Good.
Woohoo! I've been cleaning. Took me 4 times on this counter. We have an issue back here. This is rotted wood. We're going to have to totally redo that. As you can see, it's buckled and pulled away. Here's Norm getting the top bed down and trying to keep it from falling on him.
That's the task. Get it down. Don't get hurt because I'm having surgery tomorrow and I don't need to be hurt. That's the key, I guess.
We don't need an ER visit.
No, we don't need to go, hey, guess what? Our patient's already here. He dropped a bed on himself. Last freaking day, he can't stay out of trouble. Get these bolts off and then play the dangerous game of getting this off. Oh my God, no wonder I'm having surgery on my back. Ow!
Oh, look where Kiddy is.
Where's he at?
Right behind you.
Hi, bud.
You just scared Kiddy.
Come here, bud. I'm sorry, buddy. Come here. I'm just gonna pet you. All right, Phyllis is here busy cleaning. She's not doing a deep clean, but she is trying to get it fairly clean. And I am over here. We got that bunk thing down. These things there are gonna have to sit. They're probably there for permanently. Phyllis said she can decorate around them. In here, I got an extra box for an extra batteries. This unit here charges the batteries, which it is doing right now to this, which is charged. So that's pretty cool. All the windows work. They all actually, right now, all look brand new. Yeah, I got to get that down. So that's pretty cool. Most of the lights in here work. Bathroom, no, but that's a project for a few months down the road. So that's where we stand. This here, by the way, is the water heater. He did tell us this was no good. It blew its guts, I guess. And I am planning on getting a waterless, instant waterless tank. Morning again. I'm out here now at the Fox, the HiLo RV. They're full propane tanks. We're getting ready to put them on here. Okay, I got the old one off. Propane gas regulator. What I'm getting ready to do here is I'm getting ready to put some pipe tape on this pipe, because this is what's going to connect to this. What I'll do now is I'll slide this on this post right there. Alright, this is it hooked up. The last little piece on these tanks is you can see the dial here with the arrow pointing here, and that means if you turn it to here, you're going to use this tank. If I turn it to here, the other side, I'm using this tank. John and I were here earlier, and we attempted to take something apart to use for the weight distribution system. It didn't go as planned, so here we are. John got one bolt out. It was a major headache. And by beating this other nut off, we got this that far. And we can't get it budged no further. So at this point, it's like, well, you know what? I guess I'm going to leave it, and we'll have to buy a new weight distribution part, this bracket that goes inside the trailer hitch. and I should have just ordered both of them at the same time and done with it. The other thing I bought was new lights. We got the flat lights that are currently in the current camper. These are just simple 12-volt lights. They hook up. We already got 12-volt lights in there, but they're missing the covers. So what it is, I bought new ones so I can attach these. My only fear is, because I bought these and didn't think about it, is the depth of these, like here. Hopefully these will fit up there, and when the coach closes, it doesn't smash onto the countertops. If it does, then I'll probably only be able to use one of these, and that'll be in the Kodiak. Morning. I'm in here with the weight distribution system, it's called. Got the shank in here this morning or last night. Everything fits well. Yeah, this is the one for the Kodiak. This is the new one. It's out a little bit further, but that's alright. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just gotta watch getting your legs banged. But other than that, right now looks lined up. These bars, as you go on real easy on this, they're just like this, and this connects to the trailer. I have reversed this. It's this weight control. This will go on there like this, and I got a cotter pin, of course, and then the other side will go on the part that's on the trailer.